In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly and ActiveCampaign integration in a few easy to follow steps. This comprehensive guide will take you through the process, ensuring you can effortlessly manage your scheduling and email campaigns with seamless integration. So let's dive right in. First, let's navigate our way to the ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is where the magic begins, and you can access it through your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Home button. Clicking on Home will take you to the main control panel where you can manage all your ActiveCampaign settings. Next up, you'll want to find and click on Apps. This section is crucial as it houses all the integrations available to you. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll see a list of available applications. We're specifically interested in the integrations, so go ahead and click on Popular Apps. This will narrow down your options and make it easier to find what we're looking for. Among the popular apps, you'll find Calendly. Click on it to initiate the process. Calendly is a popular scheduling tool that can simplify your meeting and appointment scheduling. After clicking on Calendly, look for the option to add an account. This is where you'll connect your Calendly account to ActiveCampaign. Go ahead and click on Add an account to proceed. At this point, you will likely be prompted to log in to your Calendly account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look for the Connect button and click it. This connects your Calendly account with ActiveCampaign. You might notice a highlight prompt that you need to click to authorize the connection further. Don't skip this step as it's essential to ensure everything syncs correctly. With the connection established, the next step is to click on Connect again if prompted. This might seem repetitive, but is just part of the verification process to confirm the integration is successful. Now let's move on to selecting the specific events you want to integrate by clicking on Select an Event. You'll see a list of events that you've set up in Calendly. Choose the ones you want to be managed through ActiveCampaign. Once selected, it's time to review the objects involved in this integration by clicking on Review Objects. This will give you an overview of all the data points being synced between Calendly and ActiveCampaign. Finally, the last step in our setup is the mapping process. Click on Mapping to set up how information is transferred between Calendly and ActiveCampaign. This involves specifying what data fields in Calendly should align with fields in ActiveCampaign. This ensures your email marketing and scheduling are perfectly synchronized, and there you have it. You've now successfully completed the integration between Calendly and ActiveCampaign. Remember, this powerful combination can greatly enhance your productivity by streamlining your communication workflows and scheduling tasks.